Good morning, students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to reduce the state in the flow table, right? Using the implication table. So, implication table you have to draw now. Here, how do you draw that one? As now you see this one here. These are all the states. These are all the states. These are all the states are A, B, C, D, right? So A, B, C, D by input states are A, B, C, D. So these are all the present state. Then by applying that input 0, 1, the next state is the corresponding one, right? C, D, A, B. Here B, A, B, A, D, D, right? For 1. Then the output is here that 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? Now, here you see this one. Here, this is the output is same for A and B. A and B, the output is same. The output is 0, 1. Then C and D. C and D is the output is 1, 0. Right? So the out here now this is the output is 0, 1, 1, 0. Now, how do you draw the implication table? Implication table, right? So this is the implication table. So they may ask question as the how do you reduce the table, reduce the state using implication table. So implication table, how do you draw that one? As here first you have to draw in the row wise A, B, C. So in the bottommost you write that one row wise A, B, C. The last you leave it. Then here in that from bottom to top in the row wise you start from the last one D, then previous one C, the previous one B, right? The first one you remove that one. As like that here A, B, C, the last one is you removed. Here the first one, right? Now we are going to find out here we are going to find out implied state, right? So how do you do that one? So you draw the cells, right? So here C, B, and here we are having now this one, and then we have to use that, right? Now here you see that one from the first column. First column top to bottom you see B, A and B. First column A and B. So A and B, if the output is same, then you have to make a tick mark. And then here you see that one by that AB, it will go to CD for 0. It will go to AB for 1. AB is already we are making a tick mark. So the AB is a pair. AB is a pair because of this output. Then here using this transition, we are having CD is going to be pair because CD also the same output. So it may be pair. Then here, next here A and C. A and C is different output. So the A and C is the output is 0, 1, here 1, 0, different output. So this is cannot be pair. And similarly, B and C also different output. C also having different output. So here this is cannot be pair, right? Then here AD is different output. This cannot be pair. Then PD also different output. It cannot be pair. Then C and D is same output. So it may be pair, right? Then CD, here we are making AB, already AB is pair and CD is pair. Now, here using this one, AB, you are making a tick mark. So A and B is pair. A and B is one pair. And similarly, here the implied pair is here CD. Then the AB is going to be reduced as a one state. Then you take it as a representative is A. Then wherever B, you have to replace that by A. Then here this is CD. Here you have to take representative is C. So we are reducing the table as A and C, right? Then by 0, it will go to CD. Then it is C. Then here we are having now x equal to 0, right? So x equal to 0, in that x equal to 0, C D, right? So the B is D, so that C. So A to C. Then here we are having now B. B is actually A. So this is x equal to 1. This is A. Then from C by 0, it will go to A. Right? So here we are having now, this is the case. Right. Then here we are having C, it will go to D. D is C. The output is here 0, 1. Then here we are having now 1, 0 output. X equal to 0, x equal to 1. This is the present state. Present state. This is next state. This is output. So here first you have to consider now the state table. Then here we have to go for implication table. The implication table you have to draw with that ABC. Here in that row wise, then you have to write ABC. The last one is you leave it. Then here from the bottom to top, you have to write that DCA, right? So that we are going to find out a implication pair, right? So that one is A to B. AB is same output. So AB is same output. Then this is actually implication pair. Then implication pair. Then here by x equal to 0, it will go to C and D. So whether it is possible to make a pair. So the C and D is same output. So it can be pair. So CD can be pair. Then we are making a tick mark. Then AC is different output. Then it cannot be pair. So you have to make in uh, then cross mark. Then here B and C also different output. So you have to make a cross mark. AD is different output, you put a cross mark. Then PD is a different output, you put a cross mark. Then CD is same output, then put a tick mark. So the tick mark AB is already pair. Then here we are having no the direct both are D, so don't worry about that. So now here by this way, AB is a pair. Then by implied pair is CD. Already here AB is already pair. So these two are pair. Then in that pair you have to take one representative, and in that pair you take one representative. So you to remove that B and D. Remove B and D. Then you write only for AC. Wherever that B and D, for B you replace A, for A you for D you replace C. So the final reduced table is this one for this simple example. This AC cannot be make pair. So this is the minimum reduced state of this flow table. We'll stop here. We'll continue by another example.